Oh my God. Eggs, hash browns, waffles.
Candace got a present.
Oh, that's Tia.
Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
He brought presents.
You did?
Yes. Candace, look at my nail. And he brought one for you. He spelled your nickname and your first name. Candy. From Santa. That's your last name, Candy?
No, that's not my last name.
Chillin' will wake you up.
Hey, Jay. Merry Christmas.
She got a present.
You got a present?
My sister got a Barbie dream house.
How you know? Mm-hmm.
Because somebody ripped it already.
Now, how did it get ripped?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I don't have a present.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me put my pants on.
Oh, so we can open the present.
I'm
We
coming.
have to let her pants on. Ouch.
Be careful.
Come on, Jay.
Merry Christmas.
She needs Yay! Santa broke present.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we get the cookie now. Here's the cookie.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
He drank his hot cocoa
He did?
and eat cookies.
Oh, he told them cookies up.
Yeah. It's Santa Claus drank his hot cocoa.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can we open our presents? Can we open our presents?
That's up to y'all's mamas.
Can we open our presents?
Is Lana and them coming in here? Yeah. Go tell Lana to come on. I think Adrian and Lana here.
Don't start. Don't start. Put a shipping label on and send it back. Send it back to the
That's the first time I heard that one. I know she came up with some good ones early this morning.
That's my little cousin.
I know I heard it door wide awake. I was wide awake. We said I couldn't laugh at each other.
I don't about like 4.
To Jay.
What is going on?
That was me. I thought I was gonna wait this one when I was getting some ice, but I didn't. This would be all in my face.
Come on, came back here. Candace said, I said, what did I do? Oh, we had to come out. Candace said, can she have a little privacy?
I didn't say that. I thought I need to put my pants on.
I say you need privacy.
I appreciate that. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I thought you wasn't putting the flex rods in.
I just put them in.
Happy Merry Christmas.
Happy Merry Christmas.
You don't record later too? Yeah.
Yay! Time to open
Okay.
presents. Yay! Can we open our presents? Which one is mine? This one.
Looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
And you can never say anything wrong about it.
Only nice because you finna give your friend.
was leaving stuff all around the house. Put it down. Yeah, Santa was leaving stuff all over the house.
Maybe he left something here.
He better not have been in my room.
Hey,
Oh.
let me see, Jay. Who's that? Dad brought it?
Girl, you need to learn how to open those things up.
Yay, what you got?
I got this.
Let me see, Jalen.
I got this.
What y'all got?
Open.
What you got, Jalen?
Hold your purse up.
Oh, what's this?
Open it.
That's really cute.
Here. Mini birthday.
Yay! I wanted it so bad.
It is. I love it. This one's for me.
I thought you said that's too much.
Stand up so I can see.
I'll hold that.
Look, put it all over here.
Put your stuff down.
Candace got a present.
Let me see the stuff. Oh, look at this stuff.
Taste it. Don't look at me. I don't know.
It's gonna turn off.
I'm gonna open it. Can I take a picture first?
What does it look like?
I got an iPhone. I wanted the iPhone. I wanted the iPhone. Well, I still got it.
What's that?
Let me see, Jay.
I know that's
Let me
right.
see your stuff.
And it got a cup holder.
Salon, make sure a picture.
Over here and at here. I didn't do that. It's a train.
Oh,
There's something in the back, so.
Hello, Kitty. You got makeup? It's not makeup.
Hello, kitty.
Hello, Kitty.
Oh, that's cute. Accessories for your room. Is it fluffy? The words is fluffy.
What's that?
Oh, this looks like cheese.
See that?
We need this bag.
Huh? Oh, that's nice.
Hold the baby. Let me see.
I need a pillow. Why you don't buy me no pillow?
I had bought some more pillows. Them pillows yours too. They in the room.
You know,
Them pillows are yours.
I like them.
Good. Yeah, I like these.
What is that, a hamper?
Mm-hmm.
You got lemon?
You keep these books?
Let me see.
you can copy
Listen, come get your shoes. I don't know why you feel like you gotta throw everything all over.
Mom, look.
Alright, open it.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me get this.
What is it?
One of my favorite things I like to do. Slushy bread.
Oh, that's tea.
Huh?
That's tea. That's cute.
That's not tea.
That's
what she said.
She got jukebox.
That's cute.
Can you help me open this?
Okay.
Mom. You know what I
Oh, not that. Okay.
What y'all got? She's in my hey kitty.
This is tea.
Shay. Oh, I'm somebody. So there, you got everything that you need.
One by your foot.
I'll take it back. I got my receipt for everything.
I know, right? Because you were just standing on the
I was.
Oh, that's cute.
Maybe just skip it.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Ooh. Mama's making salmon patties.
And what you are making?
I just took the shrimp out the bag, so I'm letting those rinse off and thaw.
Okay. And washing dishes.
You just playing.
And the Grinch is so mad that we got presents. You got a steering? Cool. I'm feeling. These are really big. We're making salmon patties. And we slept right here. And I got this too. And this. So cute. And this was so comfortable. So comfortable. So cool. Hello, everybody. Hi. Ouch. This is Candace's room. It's too bright so you can see. See, you can't see it, but it says it was all a dream. That's what it says. And look at these bows. And look at all her pictures. So cute. Let's go.
This one over here with the grits. Bacon. Shrimpies will go in soon.
She want to take a picture with her new phone.
You gotta turn the camera around. Hold on, like
Jill want to take a picture too.
Morning mimosas or lemonade or whatever this is. Eggs, hash browns, waffles, bacon, biscuits,
hold on, one
shrimp,
at a time. I'm
fruit.
gonna do Raina's first, okay?
Oh,
You know how you want waffle?
grits. And Mama's finishing up the salmon patties. Hungry. Yeah. Everyone always asks, where's Solana's mom? What does Solana's mom look like? This is Solana's mom. That's Crystal. And this is Solana's brother and sister. That's Raina. She's trying to get food. And that's Casey. Yummy, yummy.
Shrimp real good.
Oh, they are.
Rich too.
Real niggas right here. Y'all ain't wanna play butler. Shut up like cool. All y'all wanna do is like you know. What the hell, scurry? too.
Cranberry.
He ain't win MVP. The nigga who won MVP.
He's still up. And then they got
What's up, Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Kenny.
So yeah, I have made it home. I went to my brother Kenny's house. He had a little Christmas shindig. And I had a really good time. This Christmas Eve, Christmas Day was spent being surrounded by family and friends and loved ones, and I couldn't trade it for the world, y'all. I don't know how many times I can say it. I'm just one blessed girl, and I'm just so thankful for all the many blessings that I have. And Christmas just isn't about the gifts. It's all about family, building relationships with people, just loving on people, showing people you care, mending, fixing relationships, things of that nature. And the Spirit of God, it just ran all up and through. And I'm just so glad that I'm so blessed that I can be a blessing to others. And I'm just so full right now, y'all. God has just been so good to me. Let me stop while I'm ahead before I be boohoo crying. But this does wrap up Vlogmas, y'all. This does wrap up the Vlogmas 2025, and I really hope that, I know a lot of people have been in the comments saying how they've enjoyed this Vlogmas, how they just enjoy everything, how they love the videos, the content and everything like that. So I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. I think I did really, really good. I'm so sad. It's a lot of work. Let me tell you, it is a lot of work, but it's so fulfilling for me. I wish I could do this like 100% every day. All I did was content. You gotta have a passion for stuff like this, and I'm very, very passionate about content creating, about being an influencer. But yeah, at this point I'm just ranting on and on and on. Vlogmas 2025 is a wrap, y'all. Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Yeah, so I'll take a week off, and then I'll be back on January 4th. No one else will tell you that they love you. Just know that Candace Denise loves you from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all. I will see y'all in the next video in the new year in 2026. Love you guys. See y'all soon.